Hey guys, welcome to TechGlider. This video is about Google Pay app. Google Pay app is a unified payment interface app, or you may also know it as Google Pays or GPay app. The app uses UPI ID and UPI PIN for its transactions. Google Pay app has lot of useful features that can save you time and money. To find out these features, watch the video till the end. Google Pay app supports majority of UPI enabled banks. You can check the UPI bank list in the Google Pay app settings. Google Pay app allows you to transfer money 24/7. Transaction is done within seconds. It is an app that can access different bank accounts. Google Pay app is available on Play Store. After installing the app, you can proceed for sign up process, or if you have the account, just click login. Google Pay app helps you to transfer money directly to your bank account. Simply link your account to Google Pay payment app over UPI and instantly transfer money from bank to bank. Google Pay offers language support for English, Hindi, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Marathi, Tamil and Telugu. With Google's multi-layered security and 24/7 protection by Google Shield, you can make payments and transfer amounts both big and small instantaneously. Your money is secure with Google Shield, working 24/7, which verifies your identity. Each transaction is secured with your UPI PIN, and Google Pay app is secured with a Google PIN or fingerprint. Hey, if you want to know more about interesting app and their new features that can help you in day-to-day life, well, think about subscribing here on this channel. Click on the red color subscribe button below. We share many interesting things. Google Pay application is really easy to use. It is as simple as handing over the cash. The app has Tez Cash mode, which uses ultrasonic sounds to connect two phones through the phone's microphone and speaker and helps you to transfer money. It is also known as audio QR technology. This technology allows anyone nearby to exchange money without sharing personal details like your phone number or bank account. The sender has to tap the pay option and the receiver has to tap the receive option in the Google Pay interface. Once the transaction is over, both the parties receive an alert about the transaction in the Google Pay app. You can also view a history of cash mode transaction in its interface. You can pay or receive money from anyone who has the Google Pay app or any other UPI supported app. With Google Pay Unified Payment Interface app, you can share money with your family members or split the dinner bill with friends anywhere, anytime. Simply select the contact or enter their UPI ID or scan QR code. If the person does not have UPI ID, then you can also send the money using their bank account numbers and IFSC codes. Google Pay app works with all major Indian banks and with a vast majority of smartphones, so you can pay or receive money from almost anyone. If you have used UPI app before, then click the like button below. Google Pay app allows you to earn money through Google Pay scratch cards. You will be eligible to win prizes with each transaction in terms of digital payment. You can also enroll in Google Pay's Lucky Contest. Google is also offering its users referral money for referring new users to use the app. When the referred person makes his first transaction, both users will get the amount credited to their respective bank accounts. You can pay chai wala nearby, your milk delivery service, or even your favorite salon with Google Pay Cash mode, keeping all your personal and bank details private. Google has confirmed that the payments made through Google UPI app are free for consumers and small merchants. Google is not collecting any payments from its transactions. Google Pay app users can directly connect with businesses on the app. Online payment partners include large food chains like Domino's, entertainment service like PVR Cinemas, transport service like Redbus, Jet Airways, and many more. Users will be able to make payments directly via Google Pay app. If you have any questions, then you can contact the Google Pay customer care. Go to settings, scroll all the way down and click help and feedback. Then scroll all the way down and click on contact. Then scroll down to chat or phone and fill the details. Then click on the send icon on the top. Which Google Pay app feature you like? Is it cash mode or scratch cards or Google security? Put your answer in the comment below. We would love that and others will too. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end.